just got a new guy and he's getting me fly. I'm richer than my ex, had this card on decline. I just wanna buy all the finer things in life more, and I got that crazy, crazy mind. I'm ciphering all just by myself. Well, I don't need another artist for some help. Nah, speaking Spanish and English as well. I Filipina if you couldn't fucking tell. Kakagising ko lang, kakagising ko lang, kakagising ko lang, kakagising ko lang, kakagising ko lang mula sa pagkapikit. Di naman ako inject pero matay naniningkit. Ang lakas-lakas ng usok, dibdib ay naninikip. Napakasarap ng kuha ko, aba sobrang lakit. I'm getting super fucking high. Di na ako makatayo kahit hindi na mabilay. Ang lahat ng gusto ko, kaya ko ibigay. Kung ako ang gusto mo, I like to see your